Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your Roblox more faster and no lag at all. So all what you have to do to fix the lag on Roblox is very easy and simple also. Just go to any server on Roblox and go to the top corner right here, click on Roblox logo. And after you click on it, go to the settings right here as you can see. And then all what you have to do is scroll down. You will find many options, but don't worry, it's very easy. Just go to the graphics mode, and if it's on automatic, make it manual like this exactly, and then go down and you will find the graphics quality. If you have it higher, all what you have to do is make it lower as possible, for example 3 or 2 or even 1 like me. And now the last step is just and now the last step is just relaunch the Roblox and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.